everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I am going to be giving you project overview of Sangvi Sapphire by Sangvi Realty located in Jogeshwari West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right beside me is the actual land tower. You may also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. This is bang on SV Road. This side will lead you to Goregaon and this side will lead you to Andheri. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, the number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 0.5 acres with ground plus 20 floors with configuration of 1.5 BHK and 2 BHK. Talking about connectivity, this very amazing project is located bang on SV Road with Jogeshwari Station at a distance of just 50 meters. Yes, 50 meters. And Western Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 20 plus luxurious amenities, which includes gym, sky garden, walking track, kids play area, and many more. Before moving ahead, let me ask you, are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai and that's why you have landed in this video? So I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyers series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of what their basic rights are. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने टोकन अमाउंट देकर बिल्डर से कोई घर बुक कर लिया है, बट अब आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हो तो लीगली बिल्डर कितने पैसे डिडक्ट कर सकता है, आपका ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है. सेकेंडली, लेट्स से पोजेशन के बाद कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड या लीकेज रिलेटेड इशू आता है, सो व्हाट लायबिलिटी डज द बिल्डर होल्ड. All of this is made you understand in very simple and easy to understand language in this series. So next time before buying your home in Mumbai, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area with 1.5 BHK having carpet area of 468 square feet and 2 BHK having carpet area of 588 to 646 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the actual flat and of the actual tower. Right there is the station which is visible from the tower. So our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and sample flat, as you can see, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Sangvi Sapphire by Sangvi Realty located in Jogeshwari West. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the I button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.